Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today I have the THINKWARE dashcam, and this is the X1000. And this is a front and rear dashcam. And today we're going to do the unboxing. What I like to do is go ahead and show you all around the box in case it has any information for you. And if you like any information, you could go ahead and stop it at any time. And this side actually has some information for you. All right, so that's the information that we had all around the box. So now let's go ahead and open the box. And what I like about this dash cam is that it came with a seal on it, which is right here. And this is the seal, and it says do not accept if broken. So this is like it for the store or something, but even if you get it from Amazon, if it's here, you know it's been tampered with. But of course, this one's open because I already tampered it with it. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. There you go. There's the box itself. And let's go ahead and see what we got inside. And the first thing you see, of course, is a dash cam. And this is a 3.5-inch screen. So this is a little bit larger than normal dash cams. But it has a lot of technology and power in this. So I'm pretty excited about this dash cam. There's the screen itself, and it has a protective covering on there. And there's the status indicator lights. And here's you put the micro SD card in there. And on this side, you have the power button, the reset button, the mic. And this might be speakers here. And on the top, this is where the power comes in. GPS, radar, external hard drive if you want to install one in there. Is the micro USB right here. And this is where the rear camera goes into, the cable. And this is the mount itself where it goes into. It's just pretty much a slide in there. But we'll get to the mount later. Here's more of a side view of it. You can see how the lens is sticking out. And there you go. Pretty impressive. Let's go ahead and take this off so you can see a closer look on this. That is pretty nice. Look at that lens. All right, let's go ahead and continue with the unboxing. And the first cable is going to be the power cable. And this one's not no normal power cable. With THINKWARE, this is real nice that I like is that the power cable is actually your hardwire kit. So this is a hardwire installation. And not to worry if you haven't seen one of these or if you're used to the power socket that goes into the cigarette lighter, don't worry about it. Because with my channel, we actually show you step by step at how to install this into your vehicle. And I'm going to have that video out pretty soon. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, select all notifications, because you'll get the notification when this video is ready. And always it's good to subscribe to this channel, and you could bookmark this channel. And when you need to go back for information, you know where to go to. All right, so this is where the power cable goes into. This is the power that goes into the dash cam. This is the, and then right here is the hardwire kit itself. This one's going to be your accessory wire. This one goes straight to the battery. This is your constant when the car is on all the time. Well, not the car all the time. The fuse is on all the time. And this one really goes to the car turns off or on. And of course, this one here is going to be your ground. And again, we'll show you step by step on how to do that. So this is pretty neat. I like this. And this is really going to get you into parking mode. All right, let's continue. All right, next we're going to have is the mount itself. And let's go ahead and open that up. And it has a 3M adhesive, which these are very good to install with. These are very good. Even with the heat, I live in Texas. This weather has been, the summer has been 105, 107. And if you're in Vegas, whew, even more. All right, so this is the mount itself, and you can see how it's pretty much the dash cam slides in there. And then this is the tiny knob. So once you get it positioned where you want to go to, you just tighten it up right here. And I got the dash cam here. All right, you can see how it has rails going down. So we could just slide this in. This might be a one-way in. Yep, there it is. It's only one way in there. That way, make sure you get it in right. So again, position it where you want and then tighten it up with the tiny knob. And of course, when you install this, don't forget to take this the protective covering off. And in the back, there's another protective covering. Take that off too. All right, next is the wire that goes to the actual rear camera. And if you wonder, some people ask me like, where's the power cable? Well, it all goes through this cable, and the power cable for the rear camera and the front camera is going to be the power cable that goes into the dash cam. So this powers both. All right, so this is a micro USB and a micro USB on both ports. So when the rear camera is going to be plugged in there, and to the front of the dash cam, which we saw earlier, is the micro USB right here, and this is where the rear camera goes into the cable. And there's a lot of cable on this one. And in the bottom, I'll put how long this cable is. All right, now we get to the rear camera itself. And let's take a look at this. All right, again, protective covering, 3M adhesive, and again, position it where you want. This is an inside installation, so this is going to go inside your vehicle. So make sure you take that protective covering out, and when you get it installed in your windshield, you could move it anywhere you want to the exact position you want. So this is pretty neat. I like that. THINKWARE logo. There you go. There's a micro USB port. All right, here you go. All right, let's see what else we got left. All right, and now it gives you another 3M adhesive pad. So this is real nice. In case you don't install it right, or you take it from one vehicle, you go to the other one, you have another adhesive for that. So this is pretty neat. I like that. All right, next is the micro USB itself, and it comes with the adapter to go into your computer. Now this one here is a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. Now this is, I call this a starter micro SD. The maximum storage space for this dash cam is 128. So I recommend getting the 128 because this one's just a 32 gigabyte. This is a starter one, like I said. This is just to get you started. But when you start having your loop recordings, your G-sensor files, your log files, it's going to take a lot of space from your SD card. So go ahead and grab the new one. And I'll put a link in the description down below for a higher one. All right, so this is good. All right, we're going to put this to the side. All right, let's see what else we have. Oh, here we go. Now these are for the wires for an installation. I would use these mainly in the top or the trunk if you have an external, which is an outside dash cam, but we don't do this. We're not going to need this. Thank you for doing this because all the wires are going to be hidden. All right, so this one here is a quick start warranty guide. And this gives you help you just to get started. It gives you about installing the memory card. It gives you an overview of the dash cam itself, how to install it, the rear camera, what it has again. And it gives you an information about how to download the software. And this is pretty much your screen. It gives you all the icons and what they represent. And in the back side again is just more information for you. Now, if you want the actual manual for this, you could go to their website, thinkware.com, type in X1000, and there's a lot of information for you on that website. And there you could go ahead and download the manual. It gives you, and the manual is very impressive. It gives you a lot of information. All right, let's go ahead and continue. Now, next is the customer service information. So if you have any issues or anything, which I'm pretty sure you're not going to have, it gives you who to contact. North America here gives you the number. So this is pretty nice. All right, so we got that. Silica gel to make sure everything's fresh, so that's good.
What did you think? Was this video helpful for you? If it was, give me that thumbs up. You know I appreciate that from you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and select all notifications for all upcoming videos. If you are interested in any of these products, I'll list links in the description down below. If you have any questions or comments about this dash cam or other products I have, leave them in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe!